The red Supreme box logo.
What's going on, guys? So basically this video is just a compilation of like all of my best bits, all of my funny moments from 0 subscribers all the way until 1,000 subscribers, sort of as like a thank you. And to be fair, I'm probably going to start making a lot of my videos that have my face in it private for like just other reasons. But I want to keep like the best moments obviously in like one video, so that is sort of the reason why I'm making this video. And also let me know what you think about the intro. That is a very old intro of mine. I haven't really used it in a long time, but if you lot fuck with it, I might bring it back. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video.
Not gonna lie, over the past like 3 years, yeah, like the Adidas and Palace collaborations have been utter dog shit.
Any chance they get. The fight clock is brought to you by Modelo. One of the greatest knockouts you'll ever see.
Oh! Wow! Let me see that. Out of here. Oh, wow! Nah.
Number 5. Coming in at the number 4 spot, we have the Versace dog bed, and I'm sure your girl is very excited that they've actually made a bed for her. So Umbro is an English brand, but with that being said, it's not a very good one. Like, maybe back in the day, Umbro was like a big brand. Like, not gonna lie, it still is a big brand, but like, if you wore it now, like, you would be laughed off the street.
It's mum joke time! Your mum's got a tattoo of the Umbro sign!
But like, I can just imagine like someone playing around with this guitar in their room and like accidentally breaking it or something.
Power slide. He's had enough. Turn it off. Lights.
I know I messed up the name of this, but let's just give it a go anyway. This box logo was designed by Takashi Murakami. It's wrong. I know it's wrong. Don't hurt me. But yeah, this artist is a famous designer. I'm not really sure what he exactly famous for. Like probably art, I'm presuming.
Uh-oh, retard alert!
But yeah, that was Tiffany & Co. Coming in at the number 2 spot. They should rebrand themselves to Tiffany & No, because no way am I fucking getting any item from them. And also to add to this, I don't know why Shakespeare looks so serious in this. Like, he looks like he's about to knock someone out.
If you want some, I'll give it you.
But yeah, that's all I have to say about the Shakespeare. I cannot express how crazy the Gucci belt like trend was. Like, you had people out here buying smaller tops just to show their Gucci belt.
Get him.
You literally had like people wearing trench coats and tucking in their trench coats in their trousers just to show their Gucci belt.
Get him.
You had people in December shirtless just to show their Gucci belt.
Get him.
You had people wearing Gucci belts as a headband.
Get him.
People graduating and tucking in their graduation like gown or whatever it's called just to show their Gucci belt. Like, I cannot express how much people wanted to let you know that they had a Gucci belt. With that being said, let me just touch on a pair of disgusting shoes that they actually released for this collaboration. And I didn't even know that these shoes were even released until I did research for this video. And the shoes that I'm talking about are the Chewbacca shoes, and I'm telling you now, yeah, these shoes are absolutely disgusting. Like, just see for yourself. Like, by the looks of their faces, like, it looks like they've just robbed like Toys R Us or something. And not gonna lie, the two guys in the photo, yeah, look, one scary motherfuckers. Like, I swear down, innit? Like, you do not want to run into them in a dark alley because you probably get your Elmo doll snatched or something. Yeah, man. Like, even if I did have this bike, yeah, I wouldn't ride it because I look like what's that rapper's name?
Yo, you got.
YNW Namir or something. Stone Island is a Italian brand, but in the UK, they are mostly worn by football hooligans.
Fuck me. If I knew we was going to a bar mitzvah, I'd have brought me fucking skull caps. You know,
Say if it was just a normal, just dead bag, like I don't think it would look as nice.
Oh, hell no!
So the retail for this bag is also 4,000. But however, the resale for this is upwards of 8,000. So probably my favourite lighter that Supreme has released. Like obviously, I know it's a bit loud with like the red going around it, but I feel like it sort of suits the lighter, if that makes sense. And all I'm saying is, if you ain't sparking like a fat zoot with this, like you really don't deserve this lighter.
but I'm nothing without this suit.
If you're nothing without this suit, then you shouldn't have it.
A few moments later.
And if Stone Island is your favourite clothing brand, you are most certainly at the pub every weekend watching football. And a Stoney plus 3 cans of Stellas automatically make you a racist without even you knowing. Like they'll start saying shit like, yeah bruv, I'm not racist, like I've got a black car outside, like how could I be racist, geez? Or they'll use the phrase like, I'm not being funny, yeah, and then go on to say the most offensive shit you've ever heard in your life. Oi, I'm not being funny, yeah, geez, yeah, but why has that geezer got a towel on his head? And if you ask them what their favourite movie is, they're definitely going to say Green Street. They'll most likely tell you that they're in a football firm, but what it actually is just a bunch of fat middle-old age men that know all the words to a football chant but can't remember their son's birthday. So in 1952, Adidas actually bought its iconic 3-stripe trademark, and I don't think you're ready for this. Adidas actually paid €1,600 for this and 2 bottles of whiskey, which is a deal and a half. Like you cannot even dispute that.
Well, I fucked your bitch, you fat motherfucker.
I can't even lie to you, I hated these shoes back then and I hate them twice as much now because they're just so rinsed. Like I hate everything about this shoe, like the sole of the shoe, get that the fuck out of here. The fucking colours on this shoe, get that the fuck out of here. The fucking fabric, oh my days, like literally everything apart of this shoe, like it's just a no for me.
Hell no! Get that the fuck out of here! I never drunk vodka! Get the yak the fuck out of here! Look at that hat! Get that the fuck out of here! You thought I was gonna lose? Get smashed the fuck out of here!
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Oh my god!
And I know I said this before, yeah, but it is just so in your face. Like I know like other brands, like they are in your face, but it's not the way that Versace is. Like for example, like Fendi, like that is so in your face. Obviously the Fendi all over print in your face, but it is like aesthetically pleasing. Like with Versace, you got Medusa in the center, and then you got like chains all around it, and then you got like the bright gold of it. Like bruv, like what?
Are you skunked? Are you skunked?
Example, these fucking DC shoes, yeah, like back in the day you couldn't go anywhere without someone fucking wearing these shoes, and now it's like these shoes have gone extinct.
This is madness!
Madness. This is
2022.
people that wear Trapstar, like, have probably never trapped in a day of their life, or probably not even in that environment. Like, they've just finished watching like 3 episodes of Top Boy and they're walking around like they're Jamie. Like, these are the type of people that would just speak normally, but as soon as the Trapstar comes on, like they'll start coming out with like just bizarre, just slang words.
Yeah, fam, I'm steady, bro. I'm steady with it. Yeah? I'm the steadiest nigga on crypto right now as we speak. Them man, they're unsteady. I'm steady, bro. Trust me. Steady.
And if your favourite clothing brand is Palace, you probably spend majority of your time at a skate park talking about how fucked up you was the night before. And you definitely use words like rad and gnarly.
That was legitness. Yeah, it was.
That brings us on to the number 4 spot, and I can't lie, I sort of hate this shoe with like a low-key passion. The shoe that I'm talking about is the Power Phases, whatever the fuck it's called. I fucking hate these shoes. The reason why I hate this shoe so much is because it's like, it's got the same design as 99.9% of the Adidas shoe range. Like, if you think I'm joking, yeah, here's an example, here's another example, here's another example, here's another example. Fuck it, here's another example. You know what I mean? Like, this shoe didn't need to be created because there's like 50 other versions of this shoe, so, you know, just straight up pointless. Like, I'm sorry, yeah, but this shoe wants to be Reebok Classics so fucking bad, and it's just not. Like, I can't even lie to you, I wouldn't even call these Yeezys. Like, these are just a straight up cash grab. And yes, if Dior is your favourite brand, there is a 110% chance you own this aftershave. But do you own this aftershave because you like it, or people said that they like it so you automatically like it in your brain without even you knowing, being influenced in your decision of buying this aftershave? You need to think about that. And also think about your whole entire existence, because if you have this aftershave, nah, to be fair, this is a nice smelling aftershave. I can't even, like, you know, fault you on that, but still, be your own person. Don't follow a trend, and yeah. And if Dior is your favourite brand and you buy someone like a present of Dior and you write in the card, I adore you, you have a green light just to get smacked in your face, because like, that is the most cringiest shit I've ever seen in my life. And the range I'm going to be talking about is the bright coloured tech fleeces. So starting off with the yellow one, if you own the yellow one, you definitely have a Central C poster in your room. And if you own the red one, you definitely practice gang signs in your spare time. And also, you are probably 35 and you probably hang around with like 17-year-olds. Just on this shoe, like, it looks like you've taken a croc, yeah, you strapped a pillow around your leg, and like, you've just called it a Yeezy. Like, I'm sorry, yeah, but if you wear these shoes on like a hot summer's day, yeah, like that is it for your whole entire foot. Like, I'm sorry, yeah, but like, it will start growing some sort of fungus or whatever because it's so like hot and dense inside there. I'm not surprised that after a day out of wearing it, you just take them off and you've got like trench foot or something. 5 spot, we have the Adidas ZX Fluxes.
No, where the crap go, bro? Where the Fluxes? Oh my god! Oh, this is neighborhood! This is neighborhood!